Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today we are at Dacha and today we will plant potatoes. I hope this episode will be useful for those who is thinking of planting potatoes. We will share with you our Russian technology, how we do it. So of course there are many ways how to do it, but today we will show you our very simple, very fast way how to plant potatoes. Alex will be working, I will be filming. So that is our measure stick. Yeah. The end of May is a great time to plant potatoes in Russia. In some warm parts of Russia, people plant potatoes in the middle of May, so in the beginning of May. But in Moscow region, we have very cold spring this year, and only now it is good time to plant potatoes. So now Alex will dig the row. And we have some things that we will add into the soil. That is ash. We burn branches, some wood, and that is some ash that we have. Also we have some special fertilizer, especially for potatoes. It looks like this, and we will put it into every hole. Here we have black soil and a lot of onion shells, onion skins, and of course potatoes. It is already prepared for putting into the soil. So guys, the row is almost ready. Now we will put very useful things into the hole, into every hole. So guys, the row is ready. You can see a lot of small holes here. And now the time for black soil. Alex, your turn. Just a little bit in every hole. The next step, guys, is to put fertilizers, just a little bit. Then goes ash. We are not very greedy with ash because we have a lot of it. It protects plants from insects, from diseases. That is very good organic fertilizer. In Russian that is called zola. Alex decided to bring the big bag. That is from Sheffield's food. Big bag.
Now we are mixing everything.
So now, guys, we mix everything.
Надо замешать вместе с землей, перемешать.
Yeah. The most important thing, guys, is to mix everything with soil. Just everything that is in one hole. Fertilizers, ash, black soil. So just mix everything. As you can see, the spot where we plant potatoes is not very big, but that is enough for the big family to eat during the whole year. Usually we very seldom buy potatoes. If we are out of our potatoes in spring, we buy just a little bit. So, but usually we eat our own potatoes. How you call it? Organic?
Yummy.
Yummy organic potatoes. Sheffy is at home. We do not take him because today we went by my sister's car and she took a lot of plants with her. There was no space for Sheffy in the car. That is why Sheffy is at home. But in general, Sheffy is not bad. We treat his eye, so with some ointment and some drops. In general, he's not bad. And now, guys, the time for onion skins, onion shells. We do not put a lot because we do not have much. And that is, guys, almost the final step, a little bit of ash on the top. And now, guys, the first step of another circle, we measure the new row. Показывай, как будет. Yeah. And the same on the other side. Yeah. And now cut the new row. That's all. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed how Alex worked. That is, well, small, but I think rather useful episode for those who would like to know how to plant potatoes, how Russians plant potatoes. As we have told you, there are many ways, and that is how we do. We try to show you every step. So, and in autumn we will show you the result, how much potatoes will be from this small field. So, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. See you soon in another episode. Пока.